Hello all, I hope so. I'm audible and visible to all. If you guys can confirm, so we can start. Okay, great. So let me open chat over here. Okay, guys, so I think almost everyone has joined. Let's wait for 1 and 2 minutes extra for so other persons can join and then we can start. Okay. Just give me a second. Okay, so hello all. My name is Dhruv and we are going to discuss live automation okay over here. So let's start then. And of course, like today, so today it will be a induction session where we'll just discuss few things and we'll discuss about whole Euron ecosystem. And from coming week, we'll start the syllabus classes that we have mentioned. Okay. So today we will be going through each and everything that what we are getting over Euron and how our journey will be in coming time. And and then from there we'll take forward properly. Okay, so once we'll start, I think we then have each and everything that we needed uh, to start the class, to get the things that we all are here to achieve. Okay, so I'll clear each and everything, how we can do, how we can get the things, how we will clear the doubt, because few people have so many doubts, and I think almost we have joined our previous live classes also at Euron, so you guys have an idea how Euron ecosystem works, right? So can we start, like, all? Can we start? Let me know in comment. Nepal waiting. Okay, done. Okay, yeah. Hi Rahul, I am Tiaz. Done. So let's start. Let me share my screen, and meanwhile, if someone has any questions, any doubt, of course you guys can ask. At the end of this session, we'll take your doubt also, so we'll discuss live one on one. But meanwhile, if you have any questions, of course you can let me know. Okay, so I hope my screen is visible to everyone, right? Just confirm once. So it's visible to all, everyone can see, right? Okay, great. So, okay. So first and foremost things, every single time whenever we are going to start the class. So from coming Saturday and Sunday, so how we have to reach over there and how we'll start each and everything. Then we'll discuss about few more things, how it's important, and yeah, we'll come up with those part. But before that, just I wanted to know from like from your side, guys, like anyone is here who did a few or smaller any kind of automation, no matter what it is, whether you have done through N10, whether you have done through any platform, or might be simple Gmail integration, or anything. So if someone just can ping over chat, if anyone has tried. Okay. Okay. We say done. Others? What about others? Meeting. Okay. N8 simple workflow. Great. What about others? Gagan, nothing yet. Done. Okay. We have Pradeep over here also. Okay, Pradeep. Okay, so almost I can see that we all are here to just learn the automation from basic, and that's what we are going to do over here as well. Along with that, we'll go in so advanced. Okay, when we say so advanced, like this is going to help you a lot in terms of your day-to-day task, in terms of your each and everything, and how it is going to happen. Of course, I'll tell you. But just before that, I just wanted to know ki, the person I'm interacting, how you guys are over here. Okay, fine. So every single time whenever we are going to start the class, we have to come Euron.1. Here we are going to get a class. Okay. And once here you can see we have multiple classes. So just to join this automation bootcamp over here, we have to click on full stack automation bootcamp, and we'll come over here. We'll click on continue learning. And I hope so everyone has joined link, right? Yes, we are going to discuss that also. Of course, there might be few cases that we can automate. So yeah, we are going to discuss in coming time. So over here, you guys have your WhatsApp group. Okay, so we can join this link. If anyone has not yet joined, please join. Okay, and then here every single time. So today we are starting at 7 p.m. but in coming time we'll start almost around. So you will be getting update over here every single time. Okay, just you have to click and just join. All the best. What you can do, you can just bookmark also this particular page over here. You can bookmark as a full stack automation bootcamp. So every single time you do not need to go and search. You can click and you can. That's how you can also join. Okay. So that's how we are going to do. And we all have our group. So there you can ask any kind of questions, any kind of doubt. We have few people over here who can answer, or of course, whenever I'll get time, I'll reply also over there. Okay, so that what the support and ecosystem you guys are going to get. And yeah, like we have good people in group also, and we have each and everything that you need to start the things. Okay. So let's talk about the class also, what we are going to discuss, and then we'll talk about what extra you are going to get. So I think everyone has enrolled already. So you have two options. Either we can go directly this class, or if we are a part of Euron Plus. So if you have friends, or if you are if your colleague or someone, they all can join this particular class. Okay. And if someone has not yet joined, you can update them, they can join. And we have recordings also which can be which will be updated most probably at the end of the day, or like by next day max to max, which you can watch later if you want to watch. But yeah, here we are going to discuss each and everything in live class. So that will be great. Okay. And a bit introduction about me also, like so yeah, I'm currently working in one of the company, okay, as a sales head, and we are going to discuss whole automation thing, because in last more than one year almost, I have been doing it on day-to-day life. We have done so many things, uh, uh, and of
6-7 মাস হবে। তুমি যদি 6 মাসে 6টা কিছু সলভ করতে পারতা তাহলে বুঝতে হবে 6 মাসে একটা সাসপেক্টও অ্যারেস্ট করতে পারো।
okay.
আমার কেসগুলো খুব জটিল এবং অনেক পুরনো।
Just mute him.
Okay. Okay, fine. So let me do one thing. Okay, he was on another call, right? Yeah. So just be one thing. Participant. Okay. Uh, I hope you guys are able to see each other also, right? And everyone is able to mute and unmute as of now. Okay, fine. So done. Okay. So by the way, we have done few things in terms of automation in real life with companies with for myself also in terms of personal thing also. For that the reason I'm going to discuss. Okay. And we are going to discuss in very detail. Very detail. Okay. So here the syllabus. Yes, yes. We'll discuss that also. So here the syllabus. So let's discuss one by one how. So this is an estimation time that we are going to cover under 4 months, and we'll take so many doubts. We'll take so many use cases, and as you guys know, day by day, this whole technology is being updated, right? So of course, we'll be keep discussing all those things. The classes will be Saturday and Sunday, 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. Okay. Yes, right, Anuj. Today it is only an induction session that we are going to discuss, and then we'll take some doubt also because you guys have, I think, so many things inside your mind because this is something that everyone want to do the automation part and so many things. Might be few of you are from like tech background, few of you are from like might be you are running companies and all. So yeah, we are going to discuss all how we can do that, how we can learn this in very very easy manner. Okay, because that is how I have also learned. So yeah, and not only learn, but this is what we are going to implement in our day-to-day life. Yes. Okay, so the classes will be on Saturday and Sunday 8 p.m. IST, and if anyone want to join, just come here Euron.on, enroll, and we can start directly. Yes, we are going to take that questions also, Jubair. Okay, at the end. So what you guys are going to get. Okay, so learn automation hands-on with live interactive class that we are doing. Experience real-time projects building with screen sharing and code walkthrough. So when we say screen sharing, so of course, whenever we are going to create any kind of automation over here, so at the end we'll be taking live out where you guys can share and we'll try to create the whole automation. If you have any doubt, of course, we'll cover that also. So that is how the whole class will go. Okay, receive an official certification of completion recognized by Euron. So we'll provide you certification also once this the whole course is being completed and the project is being completed by you. Get exclusive access to Euron's job portal and internship opportunities. So we have so many things over here, which is like if I'll show you one by one, of course, so many things over here, which is going to help you a lot in your entire journey, okay, without paying any extra money. And this is literally very beneficial for everyone, no matter are you looking for a job, no matter you are just trying to automate your work, or no matter if you are a business owner or anyone or just a fresher or someone who just want to go in the field of automation as a add-on skill or as an hobby also. So yeah, we are going to give you so many things. So you are going to get job portals and internship opportunities as well, which is really great. Okay, use Uri AI tools with 12 plus APIs for solving real-time automation problem. So we are going to provide this Uri AI also, which we are going to also use in the case of automation as well, and which is again it is totally free. uh, Enjoy two-way communication and instant doubt resolution in every session. So of course, like we are discussing right now, so we'll be going in a same way. Get recordings of all live sessions for lifetime revision support for 1 year access. So of course, you guys will be getting recording as well. Build a career-ready project portfolio with real-world automation workflow. So yes, this is not only going to help you to speed up your day-to-day task, but it is also going to give you a lot of kind of exposure, you can say, because that is how even I started into this tech world. We started with very few basic automation, and yeah, now there are so many things that will keep coming, and you will keep upgrading. But this is something that anyone can start. Practice confidently with Avni, your AI-powered interview coach. So if someone is there who is looking for the job also, yeah, we have over here of an AI which is going to help you to crack your job as well. Okay. And yes, we have WhatsApp community, we have people over here, we have different groups also which you can join, and we can share each and everything that you want. You can ask also with each other. Okay, we can interact. So what we are going to cover in whole course? Till here, guys, till here, any doubt, any questions? Anyone if you want to ask anything? Uh, just profile pictures. Okay, deployment. Deployment we'll be also discussing at the end. Okay, that I'll just let you know in this syllabus so you guys get an idea. So I think let's then go through what we are going to learn. That is the most important thing. So we have few doubts that will be clear over here. Okay. So what we are going to cover? So of course the foundation of N8N. And why N8N? Because that is something that anyone can do. When it comes about prerequisite, I think no one has asked. But if someone is asking about prerequisite, uh, there is no prerequisite. Okay, just if you know how to run your browser and all, that's all. Just you need to know how to connect it with internet. That's all that you needed, and we'll be good to go. And we'll learn each and everything. Of course, DP Sharma will learn how to install in MacBook, how to install in cloud also. So how we'll start foundation of N8N, set up an interface. There, of course, we'll show you how you can install N8N over cloud, Docker or local, anywhere. Okay. Then walkthrough of UI nodes, workflows, triggers, and executions. These are very basic, but yes, a person who will be seeing once, this will be kind of very exciting to each and everyone because you can create your own kind of chat system or any kind of response that you want based on your prompt that we are doing with other LLMs or like generative AI platforms. Okay. Then we'll start our first automation also, where we create a workflow that sends a telegram message when a new email arrives. So this is what we are going to cover. So with the help of this, not only this, you can create so many other use cases that you want. So here you are going to learn so many things: how to connect with Telegram, how to create your workflows, how to connect with email, right? So you will be learning so many things even by here also. Then there will be core concept that we are going to discuss. All right. Understanding nodes, parameters, connections, and data flow. These few things are important. And again, no coding needed. No coding needed. Just it's kind of natural thing. Okay, like we learned Chat GPT, kind of those. Okay, from
So
here,
can I do in local system? So this is only based on full cloud, na? So
yes,
suppose I have a desktop. So if I in a Google Sheet I want to send mail to N8N.
and I
So it
tell.
will be possible.
Yes, yes, it is possible. It is possible you can install in local system. It is possible you can install in your cloud also. So we can do that. We'll discuss that also in installation part. And then we'll discuss also what is best because then you wanted it for long term, right? So if you have that machine, which is fine with local installation, we can think of. Okay, fine.
Yeah, fine.
Okay, so let me do one thing. Just give me a
So
second.
actually, I have so in my office, so Google Sheet I have. So PPT is generating. Through daily, I am updating that tabular data. So is it possible? So it can do automatic through and send the mail.
Yes, it can. It can. Okay, fine. Okay. So after that, we'll come over core node mastery. Okay, where we'll learn a bit part is important, like very basic. That again I'll explain so you guys will able to understand very easily. These are all the basic things: HTTP request and webhooks. Because every single time we are going to connect with so many platforms. So that's why I build a custom API integration with HTTP request. This is something that you have to master, and it is going to help you a lot to connect with any outside platform. There will be some things already available inside N8N, but we are going to discuss also how you can connect with outer world. Okay, that will be also important. So that will cover. Trigger workflows via webhooks and test with Postman. That's what we are also going to do. And if switch merge, splint batches, conditional logic automation, set function and function item nodes, manipulate JSON data using JavaScript. So these are all things we are going to do. Okay, all right, and just disable some others.
I guess someone had done that line. Not right.
Mhm.
You might have given access to someone else.
वायर में 4 मीटर वो लाए थे और 5 मीटर 5 मीटर वायर को खत्म कर डाली.
You have to keep
Okay, there is. Okay, now rename start video. Okay, now I think it's fine. If anyone has to mute, they have to just ping over the group. So this is of course our index session first day. So okay, I think now it's fine. Okay, rename. Done. Done. Okay. Fine, guys. Fine. Here where is the annotation? Let's remove this. Create all times. Done. Okay, we are good to go now. Yeah, if anyone is having any questions or something, you guys can still ping in chat. Okay, fine. Fine, guys. Like it's clear, so we can discuss next. For all, anyone can ping. Okay, great, Jubair. Great. Okay, so over here we are done till part. Here we needed a bit understanding, but that is fine. Okay, that is fine. We'll able to do it. Okay. Okay, what is the purpose of this course? Done. So fine. So we are going to learn an automation using majorly N8N, and if there are good tool available in the market, we'll discuss that also. So basically, the whole purpose will be automating your whole day-to-day work, day-to-day life. Whether it is email, whether it is a few tasks, whether it like your job post, whether it is like kind of posting something over LinkedIn. So many cool things that you can do. You can do anything how you want. You can like manipulate any kind of system with these kind of note. And of course, it is going to give you a mastery of in this automation world. Apart from that, you can showcase in your resume also. Okay. So it is for everyone who want to automate their day-to-day work and who are just looking to save their lot of time. And then someone who is looking to show something in their resume also in portfolio, it is also going to help them a lot. Okay. So yeah, done. And okay, now let's come next part. I hope I am able to clear for whom Ganesh, right? So it can be for anyone who just want to save their time, and if someone wanted to automate their work day-to-day job, yes, that we can also cover. You can automate posting in any kind of platform. So those kind of so good workflows can be created. Yeah, so I think once you learn about this N8N, Abhishek, then you will able to do automation in any platform, JP or make.com. This is one of the advanced kind of tool in the market that we are going to cover, which is not having too much coding. A bit coding is fine, okay, and but very advanced. Very advanced means like in so much demand in the market. Along with that, you are going to learn all those technology and skills that is going to like that is that is going to help anyone, because you can see not only we are learning simple automation, but we are learning so many things. See, API integration, this is in itself a great topic. And so I can say a person who wanted to move into Gen AI part, this can be helpful for those candidates also, or someone who want to switch their job into Gen AI kind of thing. So yeah, this kind of thing is going to help you to boost your understanding. Okay. uh no, it's not mandatory. Actually, N18 is already open source, so we can install it anywhere. It's all about it's working or not inside your machine. Okay, so we can connect. Yeah. Now, so how we can integrate our CRM, how we can integrate like how we can connect Google Sheet. So now you guys can see there are great use cases of Google Sheet. Everyone have used, right, Excel. Google Sheet means Excel and Google Sheet both. So everyone has used Excel. So in that case, we are going to connect with those kind of things, especially Google Sheets. You can create, you can get data, you can pull data, you can delete data, you can automate each and everything that you can do inside your company also. And you can see we are going to cover email automation, so Gmail integration to send personalized messages. Okay, so someone was asking initially, so yeah, we are going to do it. Yeah, so DP we are going to cover in next session, how to install and each and everything we are going to so if you go through syllabus here, you can see, right, install N18 cloud, Docker or local. So yeah, we'll cover that also. Then Slack and Discord bot. So we are going to also show how you guys can connect with this Slack and Discord bot. All right. Then database and storage. So see, here we are going to learn SQL, Node MySQL, Postgres, SQL. So basically structured data and unstructured data. Both kind of systems we are able to connect or not, that we are also going to learn over here. Crude operation from workflows, then Google Sheet, dynamic data entry, reporting and querying, MongoDB node. Now everyone had like know about MongoDB, right? So that level of understanding you are going to get. Like I told, it is really kind of a deep full stack automation that we are going to learn over here. Okay. Yeah. And the best part, I think, in most of the cases you do not need to pay a lot, and I will just tell you so many things that you can do just to we can do over here. Then we are going to learn file handling also. Upload files to Google Drive via workflows. This is also one of the great thing. You can upload directly any file over Google Drive, and how to connect those things we are going to learn. Real-time communication automations. Okay, so see, these are the modules we are going to cover. How to connect WhatsApp bot via Twilio, auto response system for new leads. In few companies, or if you are working in any company, if they have those cases, support sales or something, you guys can help there. You can show your skills. We can show basically, right? Then Telegram bot integration. This is what we are going to learn also. Create AI chatbots connected to OpenAI APIs. OpenAI, everyone knows, Chat GPT, right? So we'll show you over here how you can connect each and every we can say APIs, ChatGPT API, Google API, any other APIs through the system, and you can create your own chatbot based on your command. Every single time it will respond how you want to how you want to make them response. Okay, for that is how it's going to happen. And then yeah, email and SMS alerts. So you will be also getting alerts over here. We are going to show how it can be done. Multi-channel alert system for status update. So this is we are going to also cover. Okay. Now AI plus automation. So till then we have some basic things and so many things that we have gone through. Now we'll try to implement on a real use cases. So here AI plus automation. Let me choose some color. Okay. All right. Okay. OpenAI integration, build workflows to summarize emails or generate replies. Okay. Document intelligence, which can upload PDF, extract text, and send summary to Slack. And you can do it anywhere. Okay. You can do it anywhere, like email, Telegram, Slack, anywhere. And right now, you guys might be so I'll just tell you a few things so you get an idea how best it is going to happen. Right now, just you all are listening about Gemini 3, right? So we are also going to implement live how it works, how smart it is. That kind of thing we can do. So whenever after a year also you are encountering with any kind of new system, you can attach, you can test and try based on your own how it is doing great things. Okay, so yeah, those things we are going to cover. And voice plus AI, that what we are also going to do over here. Okay, then connect 11 labs Whisper API for transcription plus response. Everyone knows, most of the people you have seen over YouTube, right? 11 labs is kind of voice platform. We can also connect with that platform, and how we'll connect, we'll learn over here. Then by module 7 we learn a lot, we done a basic thing, we have implemented in our day-to-day life. Then we'll come up with very advanced workflows orchestration. That what you are going to learn, and that is where I think anyone can, like, show this to anyone, even tech guy also, because this is something going to give you a great confidence and really boost in your day-to-day life, in your career, in your job, in your work, in your company, anywhere. Parallel executions, use batches and merge for parallel automation. How we can do that? Okay, error handling and retry logic, implement robust workflows with fallback nodes, chained workflows, trigger multiple workflows via webhook, execute workflows node, scheduled automations, we can schedule also. So we'll create an automation and we'll go for sleep, done. Okay, and you will see it's working, it's working. So I have few automation also. So it is really great, it is really great. Okay, just for a single second, just I'll show you, then I'll come up over here. Okay, let me clear. Okay, so here you can see, okay, daily AI news brief. It came yesterday, 20, not yesterday, 2 days ago, 21 November, then on 20 November. So this is happening automatically. Everything I'm getting, see, it is summarizing from the internet and it is giving to me. I created it 3 and 4 months ago. I just can change few things and that's all. Every day in the night, it is going to send me a summarized news. So those kind of things we are going to cover over here. You have created and you do not need to put your any effort anymore. It will keep working. Okay. Ganesh, class timing Saturday and Sunday. Okay, same time. Yeah, it is same. It is same from coming time from 8 to 11. I hope that the time you guys are going to love, because that's where uh, we have extra time we can put for learning, we can put for just, even this is not a kind of learning, I can say this is kind of, you can add it as a hobby also, which is going to give you a lot of benefit in your whole skills, in your whole the kind of, I can say, advancement in your technology and what's going on in the market, that you will be also updated, because this is something live we are going to do. So yeah, classes will be same at between 8 to 11 p.m. Saturday and Sundays. If any changes will happen, I'll update in a group. We have group, right? So I'll update in a group as well. Okay. Fine. Then advanced workflows or orchestration, I think we have done already. Okay. Then chain workflows. Okay. Scheduled automation. Use Chrome Note for daily, weekly reports. I have shown you live, right? I have shown you live my AI news briefing. Okay. You can see. And the best part, so it is, of course, sometime it's working problem sometime, but yeah, it is giving. And the kind of interface you can see, this is too I have created just with the help of AI only, just for the automation. Because simple email, if you see, so you can see each and everything is possible, and that what we are going to learn. So good AI also. Okay, if I'll take you through Euron also, here you will also able to see. I might be in different, I'll check. So the thing is we can do anything, we can manipulate anything, and yeah, everything will be on front end. You will be visible in front of the people. You can show this then and there. You can learn today, you can show how it work tomorrow. So that's what making you different from other people. And after it, I'll make sure कि no one need to learn anything in automation anywhere. This is going to boost your level of that confident. After that, you will just see, you see, just know, just you go and within an hour and minute you can master any kind of thing, because we are going to cover all the basic things that is needed, and tools can be anything, but basic concept will be same each and every places. Okay, almost 4 months, Ajit. Almost right now the duration is somewhere around 4 months, and we'll see how cool you guys are going to make this class. It's up to you, but currently it's for 4 months. If any event of live server, can I automate for alert? Yes, that level of automation can be also done. Yes. Okay, because how you get anything that you are going to be updated manually, that can be updated over here also. Just we had to trigger, just we had to connect with the right set of APIs, right set of webhooks, right set of platform. Okay, so one by one we are going to cover so many things, which is going to give you a lot of, again, confidence, like I told. Okay, then build a real projects. So till here we have so much knowledge that we needed, and meanwhile if anything comes new, we can discuss that also in our class, in our doubt class. Till module 8 will be coming building a real projects. Okay, so you can see in syllabus there is no like nothing too much that no one can learn, like you need any kind of lot of tech knowledge. No, be very basic thing, and we can learn it by enjoying, like from 8 to 10, 8 to 9, that's all after your work, and we'll try to make it in that way. So today you have created something, tomorrow you will go in your office or with your colleague and you will so see that what I can do. So yeah, we'll make it so effective for you. You guys are going to love it. Okay, fine. Then we'll start building real projects also. Lead management system we are going to build. Collect leads from forms, store in DB, notify sales team on Slack, and send personalized follow-up mail. So these kind of use cases we are also going to cover. It is a project. Okay, it is a project. And if someone is from tech, you guys can also say this is something that we can show. Okay, just give me a second. Yeah. Okay, guys. Fine. So we are going to cover real projects also over here. Okay. And it is again very detailed, like I told. And here you can see, then we have project AI resume screener. Any candidate can upload resume. It will be stored in Google Drive. Text it will parse and send to OpenAI for scoring, and then add to Google Sheet. So it can be very useful for any companies. There are so many resume comes day and night. So how to make it happen, how to make it clear, how to just get a right candidate that we needed. So that what we are going to also cover over here, which anyone can show to anyone. Okay. Then social media automation, where Google Sheet generate caption via GPT, post it to LinkedIn and Twitter, and log response metrics also. For this is see, we are going to cover. Nowadays, LinkedIn is something that everyone needed. We all have to send something, we have to post something that is important, but we are not able to because of time, because of so many things. But we are going to help you here how you can do it. Just make an automation and sleep, and it is going to post really in great way. I'll just show you, even I had done it. Okay, then we have project 4, support ticket system. This is also we are going to cover. Create a like help desk flow, email database, Slack notification, each and everything. All right, over here. And then e-commerce order tracking. So fetch order data from API, updates to status in DB, and notify customer via WhatsApp. So this is what we are going to cover live. And if class is going so excited in even after a month that you wanted to, we from my side we can cover one project also. That will be that time of, like cool, or kind of, you can say, everyone want to make that. Okay, so that what we can also cover, but this is what we are going to cover as of now inside our project. And then, yeah, then deployment, scaling, and security. This is what we are also going to learn. So Docker deployment. So anyone is going to learn how to deploy, like, deploy N8N on AWS. So that's what we are also going to learn. Custom domain plus SSL. This is something also people. So till here we have so much thing that anyone can do. Now we can move towards some more extreme part that anyone needed to do it in a real life. So we'll be teaching you how you can connect with custom domain. So even I have an example, I'll show you also. Then set up HTTP using Nginx reverse proxy, and then scaling with queues, okay, Redis plus workers, and then optimize large workflows. Because once, so this is where you can start making money also. Okay, yes, own domain. So someone was asking also what are the purpose. So even these kind of workflows you can sell to anyone, any company. You can help them to automate their work. You can save their time and money, and they will pay you. That level of things we are going to also, yes. Own AWS is a cloud platform. There we are going to show you how you can deploy on AWS, and then you can connect with your own domain. Like my name is Dhruv, so I can connect with dhruv.com or whatever domain is I want to connect with. So that what we are going to make you happen. Okay, so here you can see these are the projects that we are going to cover, and how to deploy with at a security level also. That what we are going to cover. Got it? So both things is going to give you a lot of exposure, lot of understanding, and it is going to make you updated in whole tech, right? Whole tech, because this is something that it's not that we have learned and no, forget. No, this is what we are going to use in our daily life, right? Meanwhile, if anyone is interested to do so many things, so we have a platform, Euron consultancy also. There we are also helping so many companies. So let me tell you a bit about this also, as we are discussing about projects. So here we are also helping any companies. So in automation we are going to learn so many things, but still if someone want to do so many things, so over there you can see we are going to provide you end-to-end project development, share requirements, we design, build, and deliver on schedule. So that what we are going to do. You have to just tell a requirement and we'll build it for you. You can be a company, you can be a professional. So just I'll show you also. You can see web apps, mobile, AIML, chatbot, big data, cloud, POC, MVP, view pricing plan, each and everything. Okay. Okay. And so here we are going to help you if anyone wanted any kind of yeah, that's why great Euron platform. Think big and think update. Yes, yes. See, that's what we are going to do over here. We are helping you to make it, how you can make it, how you can build it. If you do not have that much time, you learn it already, but you want, and you have company also, you can enroll over our Euron consultancy also. There we are, there we have best team, best out of, so you can see all the ecosystem we have created, right? We have created our own. So we can be the best, like, to tell you how to do that. Not only tell you, we'll give you in real. Yes, Ramesh. Right, today we are just going to discuss how things is going to happen. Okay, and we are discussing each and everything. So from coming to coming classes, we have each and everything clear in our mind, and how we are going to take forward from there. So yes, today it is an induction session, we can say. Okay, then build here, ready for your vision. Okay, and then we have all these things. You can see we start from so let me show you the pricing plan also. Okay, have a unique requirement. So we have silver, gold, and diamond. We have these three plans. No recurring charges, upgrade anytime, 100% secure in payment, and all those things. So you can see perfect for students building college projects, capstones, or final year projects. So if you want any kind of project, we can do that for you. And like we have mentioned over here, it can be any. It can be any types of project we build. Web development, mobile apps, AI and machine learning, big data clouds, and oops, AI agents and chatbots, POC and MVP deployment. So if even someone is planning to launch their own startup and something, we can help you. So you can focus on building the, like, you have product now, you can scale it. Then you can think of, okay, how I can do it in a more better way. You will be not worrying a lot in terms of tech deployment. That will take care in terms of any kind of things. Okay, so very honestly, this is a really great thing that anyone can try. The cost is for single so see, I think we have mentioned over here the timeline also for 3 month access. So in those 3 months you have given us any kind of requirement, we'll work on that. Okay, and if you have a small requirement, a small project, we can give you multiple also, but in general minimum time it is what going to take. So yeah, you can say if under that we are building other projects also, we can do that technically. So you will be getting access for 3 months. Okay, and yeah, so basically here you can see, here you can see student pack, here you can see startup pack. When it comes about a startup, they do not have single, small, I want to like automate with email, I want to automate with WhatsApp. They have entire tech system, they want to deploy each and everything. So in itself they will be coming to us. Okay, and one project at a time we are saying. Okay, one project at a time. So that can take 3 months, that can take a year, that can take 6 months, based on the requirement, based on the complexity. But yeah, I can assure you we are going to give you the best in the market. Okay, reason because we have an experience, we are not going to take a lot of time to do anything over here. Okay, so just give me Amit Kumar. Yes, so we are not going to take okay, my, who is there, it's my own hand or someone else's. Okay, just give me a second. My hand raise. Okay, leave it. Okay, fine. Okay, guys, so I think you got it right. Key, it is one project at a time. Then we have gold also, where ideal for professionals building POC, MVP or production ready application. Now, if you are a professional and if you want a small MVP and all, again, so one project at a time, one project at a time. Everywhere you can see in that timeline we are going to build it. All right. So end-to-end project building as per requirement, one project at a time, direct messaging channel for project communication. So anyone can ask. Yes, 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 yes. And requirement discussion and scope finalization, timeline estimation and project planning, phase-wise deployment and delivery, architecture, database design guidance, complete project delivery within timeline. So whenever like you can see we have an chat like also over here. So of course we are going to guide you also how much minimum time it is going to take based on your requirement. Okay. All right, guys. So silver, gold and diamond. Here also we are going to do advanced architecture consulting, database and schema optimization, best practice and code quality, production deployment support, 6 months validity. Validity is 6 months, 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. Response time within 12 to 24 hours. Okay, 24 to 48 hours, but we'll respond in a proper way. Okay, and highest priority support, phase wise delivery with milestone, because here you can also understand this, in so many cases this is live, so that's why we also need to respond in a faster way. That's why response time you can see also very less. And then production ready deployment, dedicated teach a technical advisor also you will be getting over here. Team collaboration and guidance, response time within 4 to 6 hours, unlimited projects discussion. So here you can just let us know what you want and we'll build it for you. We'll consult you also if you are in doubt, but you have clarity what you want at least. Okay, and here we'll be in more touch with you. So these kind of plans we have. All right, so It can be college students, school projects, dropouts, professionals, startups. Anyone can let us know your requirement and we'll build it for you. Okay. What we are going to provide, like I told, project architecture, database design, deployment and delivery, deployment and support. All right. Each and everything basically. And how it works, just let us know your requirement, connect with our team and share your project's requirement in a clear structured manner via our messaging channel, including all details about feature scope and objectives, discussion and requirement analysis, timeline estimations, phase-wise deployment. We build your project in a phase, keeping you updated at each milestone. You can review progress and provide feedback throughout also. Then project delivery. We deliver your complete project within the agreed timeline. All code, documentations, and deployment support included. Okay, guys. So all code, documentations, and deployment support included. Each and everything. So we'll give you timeline in itself and how you can reach out. Of course, you can fill this form and yeah, our team will reach out to you. All right. Any doubt? Any doubt till here? Okay, great. All right. And if someone, of course, if someone is trying to build your own LMS platform, we have also that as well. All right. So you have seen already kind of Yuri chat that we have. Okay. Conversational platform engineering that you can see Yuri LLM API platform white label. So basically what we'll do, you can see. So let me take you through also the thing that we have. You can see we have over here another inside the Euron. You guys are going to get this kind of ecosystem. So I'll discuss one by one. So we'll be helping you also to do each and everything white label. Basically behind it, the whole our backend will be there, but front just we can copy paste your domain name and all, and yeah, we'll be customized that it is built only for you and you are just behind that. It just seems like yours only, not your own. So that what we are also going to do it. Okay, fine. Any question till here? All right. All right. So let me take you through one by one what ecosystem we have. So I think we have covered in terms of syllabus, how we are going to cover. And apart from this, what we are going to get extra and how it is very beneficial for you. Okay. So action. Okay. Uh, so first of all, you're on dot one. So you have two options. I'll just show you. You have two options. I hope my screen is visible to you. So once we join Euron 1, we have two options. Either we can enroll directly any single classes. So if we are into full stack automation, we can enroll over here directly. Okay, just you can pay and you can start. Or we can unlock all the classes, live classes, which you can of course see the recordings and you can do how you wanted to do it. So you can see over here we have unlimited learning access that we are going to provide you at just the cost of 4200. That is very kind of, will show you. So first of all, in this you are going to get whole live classes. You can interact with any mentor in which classes you are going. In that class you can go, you can ask any kind of doubt, any kind of questions with any mentor. Okay, apart from that we have so many things that I'll show you now. I'll not just read now, I'll show you also. Okay, so we have these two options that we can do. Now once we are inside it, and you are going to get all these kind of ecosystem. So as a Euron Plus, you will be getting all the live classes access. So any live class you can go. Every live class has its own timing, recordings, each and everything. We have so many projects going on. We have so many live classes going on. So anyone can join anytime. Now what we are going to get extra. So you can see we have over here Euron consultancy that we have just discussed. All right. So either you want your own project or you want something white labeled, that we can also do. Okay, for you. Now we have live batches as well. Then we do have young Euron also. So if you have, your youngers or your kids, if you want them to go with this, of course you can suggest, because this is going to be very interactive. Like, just watching YouTube videos and kind of those things, but in more interactive way, because now here your kid is also going to participate. So it can be more learning oriented, and anyone can join from 6th grade to 12th grade, anyone can join. Okay, so this will be add on. If anyone want to try, if anyone want to go, you guys can go, you can explore courses, you can buy and you can start. All right. Now what extra we are going to get over here? Roadmap. So if anyone is preparing for any job, AIML, so we have created so many roadmap. All right. For example, let me click over generative AI roadmap. So we have created, not only we have created, we have provided a content also. So if anyone follow properly, rigorously, yeah, this is the only platform that you need. Okay, so you can see Python with DSA, Stat Masters, NLP. Then we have courses attached, which we have already covered. So you do not need to go anywhere. You can prepare how you want to prepare. Then Gen AI classes, and it is going live also. So you can see we have inside the project also that you can cover, and yeah. Then you see RAG also, we have MCP Masters, LLM OOPS, each and everything. All right, so those kind of support you are going to get. Then we have Yuri AI assistant, internship program, resume AI builder, job matching. So all these things you are going to get at one place. Career earning potentials also, like you can see normal right now, the average salary a good Gen AI engineer can make from 2 lakh to 3 lakh per month. Okay, average. Then future career goals: Gen AI engineer, Gen AI engineer, applied LLM engineer. So these kind of lead Gen AI engineer. So these kind of roadmap we are going to provide for each and everything that you can go and you can explore, which will be updated by the time if needed. Then we have Euron Plus, like I told you also. I hope my screen is visible, right? The thing that I'm showing everyone. Can anyone confirm? So because I was in incognito mode, so I hope it's visible to all, right? Anyone can ping in a chat. Okay, thanks, Siddharth. Siddhanath, thanks. Fine. So if you have Euron Plus, you have unlimited learning. All right. Then we do have Yuri also over here. Okay, Open Wave UI. Fine. So this is something, it is really great for you. So right now we are using ChatGPT, we are using Gemini. You can use our platform also. It is free. It is coming complimentary with the cost that you are paying. Okay, which you can try different model. See, and the best part, even here also, Euron itself has given you kind of access which you can tweak as per your need. So we have given by default few LLMs access, but if you want, you can connect your own also. Like I have connected of ChatGPT and Open Router, so I can have more access of our own as well. So that kind of facility you are going to get, which you can use. All right. So you can see we have external, which is given by Euron itself, and if you want, you can get your own also. For the whole Euron chat system you are going to get, you can see the interface is also really great, that we can chat, we can ask any questions, we can ask any doubt. And right now we have full stack automation bootcamp also over here, so we can create any kind of chat, we can choose model over here. So if say what is automation and why it is important in single line. So yeah, it is going to work in a real time that you can try. Okay. So that what system we are going to give, and this is what we were talking about. If you need kind of white label system also, right now here you can see chat.euron.1. We can name it in your also. So automation is the use of technology to perform tasks with minimal human intervention, making process faster, more efficient, and less error prone. All right. Yes. And then so yeah, Apart from that, we have Yuri API, which is we are going to use a lot, because when we say Yuri API, so you can see we have all the models. The best part, we have API keys that is coming by default once you have enrolled in this course. Okay, so you have the options of getting all these things. So you can see, like, I have created over here few APIs which we can use in different platform. And if you go on usage, over here, you can see we have daily almost 100,000 limit, 100,000 limit, right? 1 lakh tokens. If I say 1 lakh token, it means you can generate kind of 50 images on a day from Gemini kind of platform or ChatGPT kind of platform. 40 to 45, that level of tokens you have, more than enough, that we can use on a daily basis. It will reset on a daily basis, so we can use it properly. Okay, we have logs also where we have used, and we have so many things that you can see. Okay, till here I think it is clear to all. No one is having any doubt, any questions? All right. And so yeah, we have so many platforms that we have attached over here. We have APIs that we are going to, of course, we are going to learn all these things, right? We are a part of it. So yeah, you are guys going to use how to understand, how to connect. We have all the endpoints which we can connect. Text to speech model, generate images, generate embeddings, generate text. Okay, anything we can do. All right. Then we have available models that you can see over here. Then we have AI frameworks over here. And yes, we have few N8 templates also. We are going to make more and more, and we are going to upload over here, which you can download and you can run over N8 directly. All right. So this is what you are also going to get, the whole API access that you can use for your test and trial purpose. Then we have over here internship portal also. So if anyone is interested to complete their projects, you guys can enroll. Anyone can enroll. Okay, over here we have so many projects that you can see based on difficulty level, based on like the requirement, also how you want to do each and everything. Very detailed, very detailed. So these all things you are going to get just under one subscription, and that is 2 for a year. It is more like, I think it's too much for everyone that we are going to provide. But yeah, if you are going to use it smartly, it is going to help you in your day-to-day life also, and it is going to help you in your career advancement, in your company advancement, any places, especially in the era of AI. Okay, and all right, guys. So you are going to get internship access also. That is again totally complimentary. And we'll come up over here then. Resume AI also. This is also cool for candidate. So all the platform is very beneficial, whether you are a professional, whether you are a student, whether you are a working professional, or whether you have own company, whether you have kid also. We have each and everything. Someone want to enhance their capabilities, skills, learning in the era of AI. So anyone can create resume also over here. You can see, right? You can revamp your resume. You can just upload over here. It will give you a resume. Okay. And the hack I'll give you, if you have so many friends, they so many times ask you just create a resume. Just yes, they can also do that as well if you have given access. So you can see previous resume analysis 35%, improved resume 85%, content is good, keywords is good, improvement. See, so I have created it for myself, test and try, and you can see it has given in proper way. Because you might have skill, you might have each and everything, but what if you do not have proper keyword that any company is looking? As you have seen in LinkedIn also, 100,000 people are applying, but they will only select those people whose resume they feel at least they have something, they have written something. So for that, how you will do? So this is what it is going to help you with proper ATS system. All right, which is going to help you a lot. It will help you to select in any kind of interviews. So your resume will be on a priority basis. Yes, it's simple. It's simple. I think just you have to upload your previous resume, or if you want, you can choose the previous one also in any format you want. You can just click. Once you are going to click over here, all you have to do, just click over here, search your resume. So if I just search Dhruv, okay, uh, so it's very old. So if I just show you how old it is, this is very old in 2022. You can upload. You can upload. Or we can upload this one also. So you can see this is what I created. We can just upload, and we can give an input also, what we want, how we want, and it will give you updated resume. Okay, you can paste your GitHub profile, LinkedIn profile, just simply by going your LinkedIn, and then you can go next. It will take some data from there, and so over here. So once we'll go over here, you just have to paste. If you have GitHub profile, just paste also, and just give it a command. Enter company name, any company if you want, if common company kind of that you can put over here if you have. If not, then that's fine, like I have put. And then just paste the job description that you can again copy paste from either chat GPT, or you can give it. Once you go ahead, then you will be able to see your previous resume analysis over here. This one was the previous one, and this one was the previous one, this one is the new one. Simple, very simple. Just try and test, and then let me know if any issues you guys are facing. We'll cover in classes also, but this is very simple, very simple. Just click upload and done, and you will be getting proper, you know, resume, which you can see with proper cover letter also. All right, I hope it is clear, everyone. And then we have job portal also. If you wanted to search something, you can search. If it is matching by your skills, you can also apply over here. Okay, then we have Avni AI. This is so cool. Just put your resume. Okay, just put your resume, and it will start taking interview as a real interviewer. Real interviewer. Okay, so it will just analyze. So 3 interviews remaining this month. Every month you will be getting resume, because this is already so detailed. So detailed. It will analyze your resume, and then it will start asking questions. So good, like so awesome. You can say this is something that you can say I can introduce myself and do the start the interview. I can start speaking, right? So that level of things you are going to get. This is so cool. This is because I myself I just use just because of curiosity, and anyone can test and try. And yeah, like this is something, guys, this is something I think no one is providing in the market, because I have gone through so many things, right? I'm the one who just at least take care of the upper part of it in the market, in my company, in other companies and all. So I know Yuri API, internship portal, resume AI, jobs, roadmap. This is all anyone need to enhance their in their career, or if you want to just enhance your skills, you can do that too. Okay, and then yeah, of course, partnership is fine, that you guys can see and test and try. All right. So this is what the whole system that we are going to provide, which is so cool. Because if you ask about me also, I'll just not tell as a mentor, but if I also tell as a learner, I'm also a learner like you guys. I have also enrolled in GNI courses, AI classes. So I'm also learning like you. And personally, as a student, I feel really great. The kind of amount I have given. So in for few candidate amount is fine, for few candidate or for few like professionals, time is very important, right? That is what something is important for everyone. Literally, not I can say like you are not going to feel your single second is wasted. Okay, that might you can feel if you have paid somewhere 1 lakh 2 lakh rupees, because this is something that is going to make you happen, make you do. You have to do it. All right. Okay, so this is what we are going to provide over here, the whole Euron ecosystem. And meanwhile, because we are into the automation again, I'll just come for a few things and then we can take few doubts if you guys have meanwhile. And if anyone want to mute, unmute, that we can also do that. So basically we are going to learn the upper part of the whole system, which works in a real time, which is important for everyone today, tomorrow, and after 100 years also. And it was also before AI. The best part, if you guys know N18, that was also in 2000, like, 2018, 19. It was there. We were automating few things. Everyone knows if you have used CRM, so many things are there, right? So automation was there also, but it is now more smart, more easy. People like me can just, test and try and use. So I just told you also one thing. I'll just show you how it happened, how I created the post that automated my whole system also. So let me take you the post which was auto posting. So yeah, this is manually that I posted, but where it is. Okay, so if you see this post, this whole entire post is being generated with the help of AI. Okay, and if you see, this is very cool. I don't want a legacy of revenue, I want a legacy of people. No one will remember our Q3 numbers. They will remember who we are. You can see all the point with tagging. Everything is done automatically. Like I was sleeping that time. I don't know. I might be on meeting with client. I might be on learning with you guys, but that's how it happened. And not only text, you can generate with images, videos, each and everything. Okay, so if I show you over here, yeah, like this. And now it is more advanced. It is the image with Gemini 3 and all. It is more advanced now, more and more, right? So any possibility is there. This is just one single thing. I have showed you over email also. So we have so many things that we are going to learn in this automation classes. And yeah, it is going to give you a really great understanding to everyone. You can suggest anyone. If they are in college, they have company, professionals, students, all. Yes, Abhishek, I think that's the reason I'm here. So if you guys will go over my LinkedIn profile and if you see, if I can do it, anyone can do it. If I have created a single automation that automated my entire LinkedIn, anything. So you see, I I came from mechanical background. I worked in sales. Still working in sales, and I'll keep working over here. But how I'm able to do all these things? First of course, the kind of thing that I wanted to make my work easy first. My things is easy. Okay, I'll just show you something also. So here you see. So as it is an induction session, just I wanted to give you just an overview and then yeah. So and when we were saying now, we'll make you how you guys can connect to your own domain. You can see right here over here, right? AI with Dhruv. AI with Dhruv.cloud. Right now I'm using cloud platform. I'm not using N8N its own platform. I'm using another cloud platform. So I'm paying very less. So even you guys will be very amazed ki, okay, the cost is somewhere around 24-30 euro. That will come down to 4 and 5 euro also. This is again a benefit which even before joining Euron I paid so many platform, but after joining, like now, it is just I paid for entire year at the cost of 2 months of N8N. Okay, that's where I'm going to save your cost also. That's where Euron is going to save your cost also. All right, so you can see these kind of things you are able to connect. I have connected my own domain also, aivithruv.com. Yes, Abhishek, it is hosted by Hostinger. So if anyone will go, generally it shows like this. Okay, it shows like this. Okay, like this server dot na, like this, which not sounds cool, but it's fine in starting. But if you see, I have made it with aivithruv.com. So those things we are going to help you. You can name it anything. You can rebrand it. Okay, so guys, basically you are in a place, not only you are going to automate your day-to-day work, but you are going to automate someone else's also. And if you can save someone else's time and money, anyone can pay you as an add-on skill. Even if you are working, it's not going to take a lot of time. Okay, So here you can see I have connected few things with like this also with my Telegram, which can answer anything. Okay, and I have created uh, email auto follow-ups also. So you can see this is running live in my company, the company that I'm working. Okay, it is what it is doing. It is every single day generating, getting leads from this data and then sending messages to all. Right, that kind of system. It's been running for entire 2 and 3 months. It's given revenue also. So yeah, I think this is something very real, very, very real. Whether it is your daily life, whether you are want to do anything, whether you want to enhance your tech skills, whether you want to switch into AI and tech also, this is where you guys can start. So basically and it is a platform which is good as of now in terms of automation, and we are going to discuss. That's why just I'm showing. There are another platform also available in the market, but if you know N10, you can do in any platform without coding. No code tool is basically the best in the market as of now. It is N10, which it need a little bit more understanding also. Okay. Okay. Okay, fine, Amit. And I'm really happy to see you in our class, right? So yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that also. Okay, so these are few things that already live is running in my entire system and that I have created, which anyone can do it. No need lot of tech skills, no need so many things. Along with that, like I told you, we have so many things which we are going to interact, we are going to talk. So yes, I think this could be the best class. And the best part, guys, like I told, I did all these things by learning. So if I just tell you now, because I think now we have almost so good people here who is listening to me, and this is great. This is really great that we joined with less people. It is increasing. So if I tell you, I learned from with the help of Euron. I learned from with the help of YouTube and all, and I taken so many other courses also. But so many things are scattered. So why we thought to take it at one place, the full stack automation, so no one need to go anywhere. At least your automation things will solve, and along with that 100 things will be also solved. Okay, and because this is live, this is the best part. We can interact with each other, right? So we can discuss whatever you want. We'll try to solve it. I'm also doing in real time with you, right? I'm also just doing each and everything. I'm not a kind of so much techie who can do each and everything. But yeah, if I face problem, I just search it. I go Yuri, I go chat GPT. That's how I do. And that's so every people over here, if you guys are here for next 25 to 28 days, not only you are going to learn automation, but you're also going to learn how to use effectively of AI, which I have already implemented in my entire company. So right now I'm dealing with already more than so many people in my company. So yeah, I made them feel okay, how to use AI in a daily basis more effective way. So that's what we are also going to learn properly, and that's what you are going to learn in any classes. We have so many live classes, but here because we are talking about the automation, so yeah, it is our day-to-day part. All right. Okay. So anyone, if anyone want to say something or any questions if you guys have, or you want me to cover something else, so I can cover over here and then we can take your doubts as well for today. And from next batch, from next class, from like coming 29th or 23rd, I think 29th November, we'll be starting from 8 p.m. There will start live classes with proper installation and all. Okay. So if anything guys you want me to cover over here, or we can take your doubt and questions and we can discuss in a real time, just let me know. Okay, now am I audible? I think now it just mic functionality. It just muted. Yeah, fine. So yes, from coming week, we are going to take a class from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. That is how it's going to happen. And so just I have chosen a time of 8 p.m. so everyone can get a time. Okay, so for 2 hours will be live classes where we'll be where I'll be just telling you how to do the things live, and then for next 1 hour we'll take doubt. That's how it will go. So now, by the way, if you guys have any questions, you guys can ask in chat also. You guys can uh, raise your hand also. So I'll just unmute. Okay. If anyone want to just discuss something, and apart from that, if you have any suggestion and all, just let me know. And by the way, just I wanted to know the timing also. How you feel, guys? The timing from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. Okay. How it feel? Okay. 8 should work, because I think so. Like even if you have your own company, once a week, yeah, it's just twice a week, Saturday and Sunday. Purva, we are going to discuss Saturday and Sunday. So 8 p.m. timing we have taken over here. So if even if you have company, if you have anything, anyone can join. Okay, no issues will be of timing, and because this is what add-on skill that you are going to add, so anyone can get a time for your add-on skills, right? So let me know if meanwhile if anyone is raising hand also, let me know so I can just click. You guys can unmute, or if anyone has any questions, someone want to ask anything, we can talk now. Okay. uh till which date this course, if it is start? Not which date, for like for next 4 months at least we are going to discuss all these things. So take an example, almost we are going to discuss starting in December, we'll complete it by uh, December, Jan, Feb and March end, right? Yes, that's how we are going to cover. Anyone else is having any questions? Please guys let me know also if anyone is raising. I think no one raised like hand, right? If anyone raising, just let me know in chat also if I miss. So today you can ask any questions, because from next week we'll focusing more on doing things and creating projects, right? So just I wanted ki everyone is aware about me also, how we are going to do the things. And of course, you have group as well. If no one, if anyone has not joined, let me know. Okay, we have group also where we can discuss each and everything. Your suggestion will be also welcome anytime. Okay, you can suggest whenever we, if you have anything. And N10 in itself, it is open source, which of course not in Euron infra. Euron infra will give you kind of things to test N10, that is called URI API. Okay, we can install either in cloud, either in local system, or N10 itself. So by the way, guys, Euron N10 itself, it is going to give you 15 days of free access also, that we can start next week. You can also test and try. Once you have tested and tried that part, then we can add where we have to install. But we'll tell you how to install locally also, and how to install on cloud, and then how to change it also, and later on by the end of the session, you will able to deploy, you will able to sell, you will able to give it to anyone. Okay. Fine, guys. So I think if no one is having any questions, we can close it for today. Okay, and we'll be starting by next Saturday. There you guys come up with so many questions and doubt, and then we'll jump from that day. Yeah, great to hear. Gagan will, of course, we'll see everyone next week. By the way, any feedback? How you feel, guys? How you feel? Like, uh, are you feeling excited to do something that works in real time? Oh, great, Sajid, great. Uh, Product manager, and so I'm looking eager to this course as I'm a product manager, and this is no course code. Appreciate your effort. Thank you, Sajid. Yeah. Okay. Definitely. We are going to learn in that way also, that everyone will feel excited. No one will feel bored also. Okay, that I'll make sure. And at the end, once we'll complete all these things, you have something in your hand. Job, lots of learning. Yeah, right. Uh, Making memories. What you wanted to ask in terms of job role after completing this course? Can you brief a bit more? Yeah. Actually, the thing that we are going to do now, this is on our, like, again I'm saying, Gemini 3 came, we can test and try. Might be after 3 months new things will come, then we'll can test and try. So that keeps us excited. At least this is not going to make you behind any other out there, a person who is using tech. Every single time we just hear, if you are not using AI, like, AI won't replace, but the person who is using AI, they will replace. That is not going to happen, at least over here, because you will be also using in the same way, whether you are in any domain, because basic things are same. How to use proper AI in our work. Later part tools can be different. Okay. What kind of job we can after completion of, so first of all, of course, there are even people who started kind of hiring an attend consultant also. You can go and search in LinkedIn as well. You guys will be getting, you can apply there, and you can show yourself as a uh, uh, so first of all, an attend consultant, automation expert, and if you have a bit of tech skills and combining these things, if you know Python also, combining Python, and also you have so many things that you can do, because this is in a very high demand in the market. Okay. Okay, guys. So I think we are done with questions. If no one is having any questions, we can close the class for today, and we'll connect by next week. Fine? Done? Thank you all. Thank you all to joining. I'm excited to see you next week also. Okay? Thanks.